Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we'll show you how to use ChatGPT for academic writing. The first way we can use ChatGPT for academic writing is to shorten our paper's abstract. So we have our paper right here and we'll take the abstract copy, we'll go to ChatGPT and we'll ask him to summarize this paper's abstract. So our abstract word count was 246 and now it's 217, but we can always ask it to summarize it more. So I'll tell it to keep it to 100 words only. And as you can see, it did do exactly that. So our second method is to use ChatGPT to find a good title for our paper. So let's say we're writing a paper about the infant's nutrition and its effect on their mental growth. I'll tell him exactly that. So I'm telling him that I'm writing a paper about infants' nutrition and its effect on their mental growth. Suggest me 10 titles. And we can always tell it to suggest more. Our third method is to use ChatGPT to summarize papers instead of having to read all the papers on your plate. So what I'll do is that I'll use this upload file button right here, which you can learn how to add to your ChatGPT using our previous video linked in the description. So I'll go ahead and upload my PDF file and give it some time, because what it does is that it splits the paper into different prompts so that it's not limited by the maximum chunk size of the characters. And we can see a progress bar right here. So it's done uploading the file and now it's ready to be asked questions about it. So the first thing, I'll ask it to summarize the paper for me. So it's telling me that without access to the full content of the paper, it cannot provide a comprehensive summary. So I told it this is actually the full paper pasted through several prompts. Now summarize it to 300 words. And it's telling me, I apologize for the confusion. Here is the summary. So this didn't work very well because that was not actually the title of the paper. So I'll go ahead and correct it. So this is actually pretty good compared to the abstract of the paper, and it made it more easier to read. So our next method is to discuss experimental findings. We'll go ahead and check a new paper. This is another paper that we haven't used yet. This is the full paper and here's the results section. So we'll go ahead and copy the results section, but I'll give it some background of what we're doing and the title of the paper. We're working on a new paper with the title, and I'll paste the title, discuss our results below, and we'll paste the results right here. So this is pretty good and we can ask it more questions about it. Our fifth and final way is to use ChatGPT to create an outline or structure for your paper. So I'll tell it, for this paper, suggest me an outline or structure. It's very specific and to the point, and I think it's great to start working with. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.